Hello and welcome back to Saber Outdoors. My name, of course, is Mark Alexander, your wonderful host. And guys, today we are reviewing another small company, another one of the little guys. And guys, we support small companies on this channel, so we're trying to see if we can make one of our small companies a bigger company by supporting them, showing you their products work, their products are durable, their products are good. But guys, we have Old Blue tackle today, and guys, they have it in a nice, convenient little box. I picked up this little box at the Corbin Fishing Expo when I saw, I believe it was Kelly Thorne there. You can see their names are right there on the packaging, but they were exceptionally nice to me, and I picked up one of their small packages. Now guys, I will tell you, September is a tough month to catch fish, but I believe if we downsize, and you can see we have several different kinds of colors. Here, let me get them out of the package. Good box to work with, but we have a classic color for crappie and small fish, monkey milk. I would call it salt and pepper. We have this gold color with a little bit of pepper in it. Guys, that's beautiful. We have a couple of little wilder looking colors. So this, I don't know what the color of it is. I would call it sherbet. And we have also this color, which looks really good. Now guys, you could rig these in two ways. You could rig it like this if you're going to be casting it and reeling it in, and that tail back there is going to be doing tail things. Or you could rig it like this with the tail flat, and then as you're running it up and down, the tail is going to be doing this in the water, of course. But guys, those are our colors, those are our baits. I am going to be casting this out and pulling it through the water because I've got my little pond behind me, and we're gonna see what we can do with the Old Blue baits. All right guys, so here is the rig as we're starting with. We put it on a road runner and a spinner. This is a ton of mess on the top of the water, and it's under the water too. So I'm hopeful that the blade will keep me higher in the water column so that I will not be down in the smuck and sludge and whatever else that all this weeds is living in. But we're just going to slow roll this on our BFS rig and see if anyone's interested. All right guys, so we have one of our Old Blue plastics. I put it on a micro chatterbait. Guys, it fits on this thing perfect. But guys, we're going to try our luck around in here, and I'm hoping that tail does things behind that. I hope, but we're gonna try our luck fishing. I'm on. Felt him dunk. Oh, it's a bluegill. Look at this, guys. Mr. Bluegill. Well, that was not expected, but I ain't mad at it. Guys, we're going to take a picture for the gram. If you're not following the gram, you're behind. Well, guys, gram achieved. So we're going to go ahead and take this guy and have him say, get a membership, subscribe, and pitch him back. But guys, we're going to try a different color, a different style, see if maybe we can pick up some more. All right, guys, same chatterbait, but we went with this funky sherbet color. I don't know exactly what the name of it is, but I am hopeful that that tail will do tail things and it'll end up catching me more fish. I'm on. Yes, sir. Mr. Bassy Bass, come to see us. I knew one of you all would run that thing right against that weed edge. He's being cantankerous, peoples. All right. We got him. And guys, just fell out. But number two, we're a multi-species day. We'll make sure he didn't besmirch you all. And guys, we're gonna go ahead and give him a kiss and get him on his way. And guys, I think I'm gonna switch colors again. This seems to be the bait though. I might try the other one just for a little bit though, just to be sure. All right guys, we got the micro chandelier back, and we're just gonna keep on fishing it and seeing if anything is interested. Come on. Yeah, little micro chandelier ain't all bad. Yeah. Guys, we ain't catching no size, but it's better than catching nothing. Oh no, he fell off. Well, guys, let's drag him up out of the weeds. There he is. Guys, buy the merch. Link in the description. Goodbye. All right, guys, so I took the other bait off and put this one on the micro chandelier. Guys, that bright head, I'm hoping in this low light will get some attention. But in the meantime, we're gonna throw it out there and see if we can't catch one. All right, guys, so I think what is happening is my bass are hitting on these blades that I have and not my bait. And this doesn't really have a ton of shine like this giant blade here. You can see there's a big difference between the two. So what I'm going to do, neither of these have a bait keeper on this. So this is perfectly fine. And this one is the same way. There's no bait keeper of any kind on it. So I am going to pitch that one down. I am going to thread this plastic onto a different hook completely. And guys, I ain't perfect, but I think it'll be good enough to catch fish. Let's go see. There's bluegill or something or other that really like this thing, but they don't really like. I think they're hitting at chartreuse tail and not getting the rest of it. Let's give them one more chance, and if I feel a bite, I'm gonna really let them take it. Y'all saw it. I am not crazy. It's in bluegill. They're trying to tear that tail off. They want the tail, but not the bait. It's all right though. They'll play with fire long enough. They'll eventually get burned. Well, guys, they bit my tail off. Woe is me. Guess I'm gonna have to put me another one on. All right, guys, so I took like 2 or 3 pieces, links off of this. So now I've got an extra short bait. Let's see, they may still bite the tail off on me, but we're gonna at least give a good Hail Mary try to catch these bluegill, baby bass, whatever it is that's trying to mess my day up. I'm on. And this is the most micro of micros. But guys, shortening the bait up. Got my little bait stealers. You can see he's only just hooked in that nose. If I had left, look at that. He stole my tail anyway. Is it in your mouth? No, he just knocked it off. Great thing for him, guys. But guys, that is all 4 colors done. Guys, I might try to catch one more fish just for fun, but you will find out if I caught anything in mere moments right after I pitch this one back. Come on, guys. Ooh, that's a better one. That's probably our best fish of the day. He's diving in that grass trying to chop his way through. He will fail though, because here he is, guys. That's our best fish of the day. Guys, again, gram things, gonna do them. Follow the gram if you want to see early access stuff for free. Well, guys, that's 5. We're heading to the truck. See ya. All right, guys, so 5 fish, 5 on the old blue tackle. Guys, this little kit was really nice to have. I cannot tell you. I have a ton of plastics per thing. Guys, even with using 3 of those other plastics, I still have plenty of this color of plastic. And guys, you don't get that in a small thing usually. And guys, this tiny box, look here. Oh, don't fall down. Boom, fit it right in my pocket. I can take my plastics anywhere I want to go. All I have to do is put some heads in and maybe some bobbers. Like small hooks, small bobbers, and you can take this straight, boom, from the package, and you're ready to go. Not a problem in the world. But guys, Old Blue Tackles, mom and pop shop, we support small businesses. There will be a link down below. Thank you so very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification, subscribe. And guys, if you want to subscribe, that's the free 99 way to help the channel. If you want to show your support, you can buy some merch, link down below. And guys, if you really want to show some support, some monetary support, get a membership. You'll get these videos early, and you'll get them, boom, as soon as they hit the web. But in the meantime, thank you again so very much for watching. Old Blue Tackle is really awesome. We'll see you somewhere in the woods or on the water.